Imagine owning a business where every morning begins with the same routine. Your inbox is overflowing with customer inquiries, your calendar is packed with meetings that still need to be scheduled, invoices are waiting to be sent, leads need to be followed up, and your employees are spending hours on repetitive administrative tasks instead of focusing on the work that actually grows the company. Now multiply that by hundreds or even thousands of businesses across the country, and you'll begin to understand why automation has become one of the most valuable investments companies are making today. For decades, businesses have solved growth problems by hiring more employees. As demand increased, so did payroll, training costs, office space, and operational complexity. But artificial intelligence is changing that equation. Instead of adding another full-time employee to complete repetitive tasks, many companies are now investing in AI-powered automation systems that can perform those same tasks 24 hours a day without taking breaks, calling in sick, or making costly human errors. This shift has created one of the fastest growing service opportunities in the AI economy, the AI Automation Agency. Unlike a traditional software company, an automation agency doesn't need to invent groundbreaking technology. Instead, it combines existing AI tools and workflow platforms to solve real business problems. Think of it as building custom digital employees for companies that want to operate faster, smarter, and more efficiently. For example, imagine a real estate agency receiving dozens of property inquiries every day. Instead of having an assistant manually respond to each message, an AI system can instantly answer common questions, collect the client's information, schedule a property viewing, update the company's CRM, and notify the sales agent, all within seconds. What once required multiple people and several hours of work can now happen automatically with almost no human intervention. The same principle applies across industries. Medical clinics use automation to confirm appointments and reduce no-shows. E-commerce stores automate customer support and order tracking. Marketing agencies streamline lead generation and reporting. Even small local businesses are beginning to automate repetitive processes because every hour saved can be reinvested into serving customers or growing the business. This is what makes AI automation agencies so attractive. You're not selling artificial intelligence, you're selling efficiency. You're helping businesses reduce costs, eliminate repetitive work, and free up their teams to focus on creative thinking, strategy, and customer relationships. Those are problems companies are willing to pay for because the return on investment is often immediate and measurable. Another reason this business model stands out is its scalability. Once you've built an automation system for one type of business, many of the same principles can be adapted for others. Over time, your agency develops repeatable frameworks instead of starting every project from scratch. That allows you to serve more clients, increase profitability, and build recurring monthly revenue through maintenance, updates, and ongoing optimization. Of course, success doesn't come from simply learning how to use AI tools. Businesses don't care which software you use behind the scenes. They care about results, they want faster response times, fewer mistakes, happier customers, and more efficient operations. The entrepreneurs who understand how to translate technology into real business outcomes are the ones creating long-term value in this rapidly growing industry. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing businesses, it's reshaping the way they operate. And as more companies realize they can save hundreds of hours every month through automation, the demand for experts who can design and implement these systems is likely to continue growing. For entrepreneurs looking to build a modern service business with high demand and strong long-term potential, an AI automation agency represents one of the most practical opportunities available today.